Welcome back to the channel. I hope you liked and loved our last video in which we learned the difference between if and if or by using our MCQ question logic, and also learned new function, that is if or function, by using historical example of engineering and BCom or arts. Today we gather here to learn new function which use with if function, that is if not function. Here a small logical example. You can see that in column B11 the value is printed as a true, and in cell B12 value is printed as a false. And if I use only not function against both values, I will get exactly opposite answers of that value. Now you have understood the logic of not function, so let's look out on real-time example. Here in column N we have three grades, that is excellent, good and poor. So taking those grades into consideration, let's use if not function. I will write the formula here in the column Q. H is equals to if round bracket starts, not round bracket, again one more round bracket starts, N3 is equals to double quotation marks poor double quotation marks close, first bracket close, comma. If I want the grades to be poor, so it should be in BCom arts rather than engineering. So I will write first engineering, which I don't require the value. So double quotation marks engineering double quotation mark close, comma, double quotation marks BCom or arts double quotation marks close, and curly bracket and a round bracket close, enter. So if I drag down this formula, I will find the answers. So if you can check now, if I have the grades excellent, then it will give me an engineering because I have written the formula against poor. So this is our example with the if function including not.